I can clap with my hand.
Whoa! Whoa, Eric! My God.
What the hell? Is that your hand?
Yeah, I can clap with one hand.
Damn, that shit looks like it hurt your wrist, bro.
Show us that.
Get 60 frames of this.
That sounds disgusting.
Hey.
Hey guys, what is going on? It is Steve from Fitment Industries. What's up? So, it's not a bad day out today, and I know people keep on asking us, Steve, Corey, Alex, Gels, Dakota, what happened to the E30? And the E30 is still around. I know I teased it once in the first video of this, but it's still around, and we're gonna go shoot some rollers with it today. And then after that, you guys are gonna get to see a little bit behind the scenes stuff. We got a video that by the time it launches, you guys will have already seen it. By the time this drops, you guys will already have seen that video. So we're gonna be shooting that tonight. And yeah, let's go get these rollers out of the way real quick, and then we'll see where we're at with the rest of the video.
Oh no!
Oh God, there's no safe spot. There's no safe spot. There's no safe spot.
This is the most like satisfying to me. It's the most satisfying.
Why is the window open?
I don't know why, but stepping on ice like that was really satisfying.
Oh,
Mark.
Holy sh!
We were going to film rollers of the E30. However, we successfully made it down the street and have since returned back to the shop.
Okay.
Without anything being filmed except for this little snippet. So I really have no idea what we're doing. There's a dog. Film that dog. Always film the dog rather than the person. No, Steve, I won't slow down.
I think. Oh my God.
I think this guy's trying to get in the video.
Yeah. Oh my God. Steve liked that one.
Okay, dude.
Oh, look at the grin on that old man. Look at the grin on that old man's face.
Forgot about the lack of a rev counter.
Rip.
Greg, where are you going?
Just hold on, I'm going home.
Where are you going, Greg? Don't leave us. It's only 5.
It's 5:03.
Greg! Greg, don't leave. I need you. All right, so Eric and Jordan are gonna play a game of catch real quick. We are actually currently getting set up so that way Eric can do our scenes tonight. Eric, you ready for these scenes, the dinner?
Yeah.
The E30 dinner?
All the E30 dinner?
Yep, you ready to pop the question?
Yeah, that's gonna be pretty good. It's gonna be a good time. I'm gonna have a blast, and I think we're gonna get some good laughs out of it. So,
I think so too. I think it's gonna be a good time.
yeah, it'll definitely be a good time.
So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing tonight, and hopefully you guys get a little sneak peek as to what we do around here and how it gets done. Those rollers that we shot, not that bad out. It's actually pretty decently warm today, considering that most of the time this place is like just walking around in a freezer, so that's cool. And I don't feel at all awkward talking to the camera in front of people, so I just got to get used to it and do it, make it happen. How you doing, Eric?
Dude, I'm doing fantastic.
You're doing fantastic?
Yeah.
I'm not gonna let you see yourself.
I was gonna say, what the hell is that?
Yeah,
I've never
if you see yourself, then you're gonna sit there and stare at yourself, and then it's just, yeah.
I don't know what I'm doing, Dakota, but. One more time, I got an idea.
Hell yeah. Shot of you grabbing X refund actually.
And what is this like?
So like turn it the other, turn it 180.
Oh, like.
Yeah, so I can read it. Turn it a little more. Alright, go ahead and grab it aggressively. Like slap it and grab it.
Maybe that was a little aggressive. Here. I like that.
Okay. Alright. Go for it.
This is gonna be gross.
All right, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the E30 video this week, or the E30 being featured in our behind-the-scenes vlog this week. You're going to be seeing that going forward from here. So going forward from here, I do want to go over the new posting schedule that Fitment Industries has. Every Sunday, we're going to continue to upload our From the Gallery and our This or That series. And then Mondays is going to be our build sheet. So we're going to be answering common build questions, common questions about certain aftermarket parts, and common questions that just come involved with aftermarket builds and everything. Tuesdays are going to be a brand new series for us. Tuesdays are going to be our So You Want series. So this past week we did So You Want a Miata. Wednesdays we won't be doing anything upload wise, just because it's Wednesdays. We need a break sometimes too at Fitment Industries. Even Alex needs a break at Fitment Industries sometimes. And I mean, Gels, he's riding so many waves that who knows with that guy half the time. Thursdays are going to be like a classic day for Fitment Industries, classic upload day where we upload not classic videos, like we're not gonna upload old videos. We'll be uploading stuff like wheel histories on Thursdays. We're gonna start doing track histories and start talking about tracks. Fridays is my day. Fridays is the day you guys get me, this vlog series right here. So Saturday, two Saturdays a month, we're gonna be uploading videos that are gonna be like out of the realm of what we normally do here at Fitment Industries. Sometimes they're gonna be maybe goofy little skits, just stuff that we just having fun. They're just fun videos. One last thing. Don't want to forget you. I know you're worried about it because you've probably been watching this whole video and saying, Steve, where the fuck is my shout out? So we had a audience member of ours reach out to us and allow us to use some of his music for this video. A lot of it has been in this video. You guys can check it out in the link below. His name is Ben. He goes by Astro Beats. Go ahead and check him out in the description below. Subscribe to his SoundCloud account. He's got some really cool, chill, like instrumental music that I actually really enjoy listening to when I'm just editing and stuff. It's a good, chill background beat music to have. But Ben, thank you for the allowing us to use that. That was really, really cool of you to do. That's it for this video. If you guys have any wheels, tires, or suspension needs, fitmentindustries.com. As always, that's the plug. You guys know it, you guys love it. I'm Steve, and this has been Behind the Shoot. Peace.